Doing homework would have been so easy, only if it was a matter of copy paste and a little bit of typing. But we all have to submit it as a scanned handwritten document. How amazing would it be if you only had to type the words and an application would convert them into a scanned handwritten document? Well, this is possible now.
So this is the Writer app which we will be using to create our handwritten document. The link to the app is in the description below. So I will open the app and go to settings from the top. You can see that there are two types of font available. I will choose the type 2 font. You can also adjust the font size just by tapping on it and entering the value, but I will keep it 18 only. I will let the font color be blue only, and now I will choose the page background as plain page. So I will save it. As I told you before that the default font color here is blue, but by convention headings and questions are added in black color. So to do that we have to enclose them within the Q tags. So I will open the Q tag, enter my text over here, then I will close the Q tag. Now I will give it a little bit of spacing from the left, and this is how it comes in the preview, black in color and aligned in the center. Now I will add a question here, so I will again open the Q tag, type my text over here, and then I will close the Q tag. It is noteworthy to see that the tag is open like this, but to close it we also have to add a slash. So now we have to add the answer. As the default font color is blue only, we do not have to use any special tags to enter the answer, only we have to type the text. So I will quickly type the text. Now I will give both the question and the answer a little bit of margin from the left, so this is how it looks now. Now I will click on download page and it has been saved in my writer folder of my device. Now I will clear the input to make another dummy page, so I will just add a little bit of text over here and I will download this page also. So now let us go to the writer folder of our device to see how it has been saved. So I will go into my internal storage, I will go into the writer folder, then I will open this image 3. That was the first image I made currently, and this image 4. So now we will create a PDF file of these images. So I will select the image 3 and the image 4. Now I will click on create PDF. Again we go to the writer folder, but this time into the PDF folder, and the PDF file 2 is the PDF we created just now. This is how our document looks now, and anyone who will see it will surely think that this was written by hand and then scanned, isn't it? Let me know in the comment box below. Thanks for watching.